everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lauren Boucher, and today I will be making, you guys have seen it before, you'll see it again. I'm making pickled red cabbage, but I like to call it purple cabbage because the color is not red, it is purple. Thank you very much. I've never pickled anything before in my life. Never been on the news before. So I'm very excited. It's called a quick pickle. What you're gonna need some water. You're gonna need apple cider vinegar. You're supposed to use not ground coriander, just full coriander. I don't have it. A few red pepper flakes, some sugar, some peppercorns, and garlic, and some obviously purple cabbage. And I am going to use my handy dandy food processor to shred the cabbage. It's at half a medium cabbage, so I'm really hoping I can use all of this. Oh yeah, and then it will fit in the 2 mason jars that it says it will. Mason 1 and mason 2. Alright, so this is what I am going to do first. I'm going to start boiling the water. So I need 1 1/4 cup of water, so I'm going to measure out 1 1/4 cup and put it on the stove. That is on high heat. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then you add all the other spices. And now I'm going to set up this food processor. I don't know if we want the shredder. I think we want the slicer. I feel like the shredder is making it too small. Let's try the slicer. My water is already boiling, and we're running behind. I was hit. I don't know if that got captured, but okay. And then you need 2 cloves of garlic, and they're just calls to slice them. I'm just gonna quickly slice this garlic. Two cloves of garlic sliced. Alright, we're gonna get this in a bowl. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that water is boiling. This water was just boiling. So we have the shredded cabbage, we have the garlic. Now we need 1 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Using your run-of-the-mill. So it's 1:1 cider to water. 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 few red pepper flakes. 2 cloves of garlic. 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, so probably the rest of this, but. And then 12 peppercorns. So I have this little thing. It's a mix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Stir this. So I'm going to put the cabbage in these mason jars first. Okay, so yeah, I have so much extra cabbage. Well, maybe I'll make another batch. So I'm gonna just pour half into each jar. And you're supposed to separate the garlic and everything. I spooned most of it in, I'm gonna pour in the rest. Still like a good amount of coriander dust on the bottom. I'll try and mix that all in. Spoon the garlic down a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 2 hours. I don't know if this is gonna be disgusting. Let me just dip one in. Yeah, that's good. I think that will be good. Alright, I will come do a review in a few hours. Stick this in the fridge. Thank you. Okay, so let's try this cabbage out. Sorry about the light. It's dark out. Definitely getting a lot of garlic. It's pretty vinegary. I think it probably needs to sit for longer. It's got a really nice crunch though. I really don't think there's enough sugar. I feel like you put a lot more sugar in this. I'm gonna put a little sugar in. It's vinegary. It's a pickled veggie. I think it will also taste better after 48 hours. It's a great way to finish off your cabbage. Thank you for watching. This would go perfect on a bao bun.